Alright, welcome back. This is video 2 where I show you how to put the clarinet together and then we'll make a sound on it. But first, I'm going to make sure that you practiced. So, let's make a sound on the mouthpiece again. Pause the video and put your mouthpiece together and then we will try and make the sound together. Great. Okay, so just before we put our clarinet together, I'm going to put on the screen some handling guidelines. Please take a minute to pause the video and read through those. They're super important to understand before we go on. All right, so you'll notice that I've already opened my case. It's on a flat surface, just like I mentioned in the first video. And the first thing that we're going to do is take our lower joint in our left hand, hold it near the bottom, make sure that we aren't pushing down these pads. Next, take our bell in our right hand, and we're going to simply push and twist it on, like so. Holding this in your left hand, we're going to pick up the upper joint with our right hand, like this. And we will push this key down with our thumb. This is important. Notice when I push this key down, this bar moves. We need the bar pushed out so it doesn't bend when we put these two pieces together. Now, just like before, we're going to gently push and twist the two pieces together. So push and twist together, and we want to line up that bar on the upper joint with the bar on the lower joint, like so. Notice that all of these tone holes are lined up if you've done it correctly. Next, we're going to take our barrel, and we'll notice that it's wider on one end than the other. We want the wide end to go on top of the cork. So we are going to, again, gently twist and push it on, and that's it. The last thing that we have to put on is the mouthpiece. So it should already be put together from earlier in the video. So we'll, again, push and twist into the top of the clarinet. And we just need to make sure that our reed is lined up with this long key called the register key. So I'm just going to adjust it just a little bit. There we go. And voila, we have our clarinet put together. Okay, so we have our clarinet put together, but just before we start playing on it, I want to see if you can make a sound on your mouthpiece. So let's take it off. We're going to twist and pull, and let's see if we can make a sound together. Ready? Here we go. Awesome, great. So now let's put the mouthpiece back on, just like we did before. Push and twist, and making sure our reed is lined up with our register key. And now, I just need to tell you where to put your fingers, because there's a lot of keys on here. Where do our fingers normally go? So I'll show you. First thing that we're going to do is notice that on the back, the side where our reed is, there's one hole here. That's going to be for your left thumb. So let's put our left thumb there. Boom. Now turn it around. The keys should be facing away from you, the holes. And notice that on the upper joint there's 1, 2, 3 holes. So that's going to correspond to 1, 2, 3 fingers. So 1, follow along with me. 1, 2, and 3. Our pinky just rests on this key. Don't push it down, but when we're playing, it can play a lot of keys. Next, we're going to take our right hand and notice that there are 1, 2, 3 holes on the lower joint. That will correspond to 1, 2, and 3 on our right hand. So follow along, 1, 2, and 3. And again, just like our left hand pinky just sits there, our right hand pinky will just sit there. And there we go. That's where our fingers go. I'm going to do it one more time for you. Follow along with me. So on the back, the thumb and the left hand goes there. Turn it around. First finger, first hole on your left hand. Second finger, second hole. Third finger, third hole. And then pinky sits there. Right hand, first finger, second finger, third finger, pinky rests. Alright, so we know where our fingers go now, but there's just one last piece of information. On the back, there is a little metal bar, and this is known as the thumb rest, and you hold the whole clarinet up with it. So your right thumb is going to go underneath the thumb rest, just in between your thumbnail and your thumb knuckle. So right about there. So that's where our right thumb goes, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and our pinkies just rest. When playing for a long time, this can be really strenuous on your thumb, so you can purchase a neck strap, like I have, and it just keeps some of the weight off of your thumb, and it's a lot better. So let's make a sound on the clarinet. Remembering to keep our right thumb underneath that thumb rest, we're going to put the mouthpiece in our mouth and blow. Keep trying. If you can't get it, that's totally fine. Take the mouthpiece off and practice just like we did before and see if you can get a sound. Once you can, put the mouthpiece back on. Thumb under the thumb rest, your right thumb. Mouthpiece in our mouth and blow. If you hear this, there's not enough mouthpiece. If you hear this, there's too much mouthpiece in your mouth. So keep practicing that until you can get this sound. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get the best possible sound out of your clarinet. So I'll see you then.